Hello guys, hey, I wanted to show you I have a successful 3D printed part, and it also works to keep track of the remote control. So I've got a little magnetic part here. I'm going to make these as well, so check this out. And it looks actually pretty good. See if we can get any change in colors and so forth. Let's see if we go there. So it changes all kinds of different colors too, which is neat. You have to program it, and I will get a handle on it. There we go. So now, as you can see, even my part, because I use translucent filament, works well. It looks like it came from the factory, and you always lose the damn remote controls for them. So I've got a nice little magnetic mount. And it goes from being a cheap piece of crap to, actually, that's pretty stylish looking. So if you look at this other one, now, you can tighten them up, but after a while, they come a little bit wonky. And this is one I've completely cinched down. Here's my first prototype. And it only takes a few minutes of walking around, and this whole thing will come loose again. So by having this added strength, I can move it, practically anywhere without worrying about it coming loose and eventually, working itself back and forth and causing a house fire. So supposedly this reacts to sound too. Hello? How are you doing? Boom, boom, boodle, up, bop, dee. Yeah. So there you go. And I'm going to have to look up the name of this company. As I say, I was able to get 4 of these from Alibaba, I think it was, for the price of one of the Go Vs. And I really like the Go V lights. And the packaging on these is pretty good, except the design, they really went cheap on the screws. So by coming up with this little part I created here, I think it makes it work a heck of a lot better, and it actually doesn't look too bad. It carries through the whole concept. So, yeah, you can set timers, how long you want it to work. It'll stream through different colors, quick, slow, different modes. There's all kinds of different settings. And as I say, 4 of these, so they were about, I think, around $120 for 4 of them. And just one Go V was more than that. So I'm just trying to make kind of like a little spaceship room upstairs. Or maybe I'll even use it here because it'll be kind of cool to have these in the background. I've got more lights, LEDs back here too that work with the same principle. So these change with the same remote. And you can see that I'm stashing all my remote controls now, so I don't have to go looking for them. It's huge. So these little magnetic clips work well. Stay tuned. More fun stuff to come from the black hole. Another successful endeavor. I've got more of these parts printed, so I'm going to take care of the rest of these when I don't have more pressing issues. But it was just bothering me, and I was happy to make this little solution. I think I did well. Stay tuned. More fun projects to come from the black hole. I might start selling these too because they're pretty neat lights with my kit. All right. Have a good evening.